Welcome to my first video for Chapter 2, Windows Easy Transfer. After you have installed Windows 7 on your new computer, Windows Easy Transfer will help you move your files and settings to your new computer, from your old to your new. It is important to remember that Windows Easy Transfer cannot transfer files from a 64-bit version of Windows to a 32-bit version of Windows. If you're running a 64-bit version of Windows XP, but you plan to install a 32-bit version of Windows 7, you'll need to copy your files manually to an external location before installing Windows 7, and then move them back after the Windows 7 installation is completed. Also, while Windows Easy Transfer moves your music and video files, it does not migrate the licenses for content protected by digital rights management. This means that you'll need to reobtain rights to DRM protected files from the online store that provided them after you finish installing Windows 7 and restoring these files to your computer. So you would want to start your computer, be logged on, and then make sure to close all the programs that opened automatically on startup. To begin the Easy Transfer, you would go to the Start orb, click on All Programs, click on Accessories, down to System Tools, and Windows Easy Transfer. You can see that you can transfer user accounts, documents, music, pictures, email, internet favorites, videos, and more. So go ahead and click Next. And we're going to be using an external drive. And this is our old computer. We want to transfer files and settings from this computer. Now it will scan all of the users and the shared file, so this takes a couple minutes. Okay, the computer has scanned all the users to see what can be transferred from this computer. It does have a set of default selections, so we're not interested in transferring everybody, only Bob, because Bob has gotten a new computer, so he wants to transfer his information from this computer to his new computer. So we are going to unclick all of the users we don't want to. And something that's important here is right over here at the bottom, it will show you the size of the transfer file. This is important because you want to make sure that whatever you're using, an external drive or USB thumb drive, that it is large enough to be able to hold the amount of files that you are wanting to transfer. This is very important. Now you can hit the Customize underneath this, and you'll see that these are the things that are being transferred for Bob: his documents, music, pictures, videos, program settings, and Windows settings. Now if you hit this Advanced button here, you can see that you can select any folder on the computer to migrate. Also, you can see in Bob's, we could add links or we could add searches. We're not going to do that for Bob right now, so we're going to hit Cancel. But you can see that you can move through any of these programs to migrate. So we've chosen Bob, and then we hit Next. Now here's where you put in a password. Make sure you use something that either you remember easily or write it down. You will need it for when you go to your new computer, and hit Save. We are choosing the USB drive that I have and saving that transfer file onto there. Okay, pretty fast file. It's saving those files, and you'll see that this takes just a little bit of time. It all depends on how much information you're actually transferring. If you're transferring your entire computer, it's going to take a while. Okay, we can see that these have been saved for the transfer. We go ahead and hit Next. And it tells us that our transfer file is complete and where it's saved on my USB port right here. Next, and we're done. Now, to give us the illusion that we're actually using a different computer, we're going to repersonalize this and pick something different. Here we're just going to pick a brand new computer, just so it gives us the idea that we're actually doing something here. Okay, this then would be your new computer, and so you would plug in your USB drive, go ahead and hit your start button, go to all programs, to accessories, to system tools, and to easy transfer. Go ahead and hit next in this window. You're using your external drive. This is now my new computer, and yes, I'm plugged in, and we show it where we have saved the file. Click on Easy Transfer File and open, and it asks us for that magical password, and you'll hit next. It's showing what is going to be transferred to this computer, and yes, we want to transfer, so we will just click the transfer button, and it will transfer the information. Both of these files are rather small, so it does not take too much time, and they're even both working at the same time. So we are now set transferring all of our files and settings to our new computer. Alright, now when you get the window that your transfer is complete, go ahead and click on See What Was Transferred, and this will load the reports of what was actually done. You have one user, 75 documents, some program settings, and some system settings. Also, if you go into Program Report, click that, and this will also give you some information of things that were transferred. Okay, so when you've checked that all out, you can go ahead and close that and hit Close, and you now have on your new computer everything that you had on your old computer. Thank you very much.